Hello friends, I'm drawing Envy, the new character from the Inside Out movie. Let's draw together. Let's begin by drawing the shape of her head larger than her body. Then, her big, round eyes fill with brilliance. Envy always seems to want what others have. She has big, curious eyes and a thoughtful expression. Envy can feel a little jealous when someone else has something special or gets more attention. Even though Envy feels this way, she helps Riley understand that it's okay to want things, but also important to appreciate what you have. Next, her eyebrows. And lips. Let's draw her neck-length hair. Some unruly strands tied up in hair clips. Envy has big, curious eyes that always look around. Can you show me your curious face? She is wearing a long-sleeved dress with collar and polka dots on it. I'm drawing her hands. Her legs and boots. Great work! Let's color Envy together. First up, Envy has a blue eyes. Next is purple. Then, she has aquamarine skin. Envy teaches us to appreciate what we already have. What's something you have that makes you happy? And a pink blush on her cheeks. We have teal on her eyebrows and hair. Her long-sleeved dress is lilac. with yellow polka dots. Her collar and leggings are red. Lastly, her boots are teal like her hair. Amazing! How adorable is Envy? We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.